Hello and welcome back, scholars. Let's look at today's problem. We see that Walmart has 75 Butterball turkeys for sale, and Shoppers, otherwise known as Shoppers Food Warehouse, has 68 Butterball turkeys. How many more turkeys does Walmart have than Shoppers? Now, this is a slightly different subtraction problem than we had before, because we're trying to compare. We're going to compare these two numbers in order to find the difference. Remember, difference is the answer in subtraction. So our answer is unknown. We do not know the answer. And so we're going to compare the two numbers in order to figure out the answer. So Walmart, we see, has the larger number, 75 turkeys. That is our total amount, or that's the full amount. And then we know that Shoppers has words, 68. And we know that 68 is written this way, 68 turkeys. All right. So now we have to figure out how many more turkeys does Walmart have. These are Walmart's turkeys than Shoppers. So this is the space between them. 68 is kind of close to 75, but you need a certain amount more in order to figure out. So we can think of how many more turkeys does Walmart have than Shoppers, or how many less turkeys does Shoppers have than Walmart. It's still going to be the same answer here. And so we have to think about 75 minus 68 equals that, or 68 plus what equals 75. So there's a couple different things that we can do. We can count on from 78 to get to 75. And so we can actually turn this into a little number line problem. And it's kind of a wavy number line. Let's just erase part of it. All right. Okay. So we can start at 68, and then we can count up to 75. That's our ending point. So 68. And we're trying to let's get to 70. Let's go straight to 70. And how many did we add to get to 70? We added 2 more. And now it makes it easier. How many more do we need to add to get to 75? Plus 5. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. So the difference, let's change colors. The difference between 68 and 75 is 7. In this case, we're talking about turkeys. Okay. And again, you could also subtract it to find out the answer. But in this case, we counted on using the number line. So we have 3 different strategies here. This compare difference unknown strategy, which is more connected to the part whole strategy. And then we use counting on included within this open number line. So we know we need 7 more turkeys to equal the amount of turkeys that were found in Walmart. Okay, so this time I gave you not only the same example that we're using, but I showed you all the steps. But I want you to see if first you can see if you can set up the problem just the same way. And then you can think of maybe a different strategy, or maybe use the same strategy and practice it. All right. I'm looking forward to seeing your compare difference unknown strategy.